Today we are preparing Chelow Kebab, one of the most famous Persian dishes. This meal combines fluffy saffron frogs flavor. This removes egg starns cooked separately and perfectly fluffy later. After washing, the rice is soaked in salted water to prepare it for cooking. Finally, grate the onion into the ground meat, then add salt and pepper. Knead the mixture until smooth and sticky. The seasoned mold is shaped pressed perfectly over heat. The ridges help hold the juices inside, keeping the kebabs tender and flavorful.
The soaked rice is boiled until it is tender. After draining until and fudge tender. After adding the rice to in the pot to steam slowly.
Saffron threads are gently crushed and mixed with melted butter. This creates a fragrant golden sauce that will later be drizzled over the rice, giving it its signature aroma and beautiful color. The kebabs are grilled over high heat. As the meat cooks, this aroma from the grill adds its to find a traditional Chelow kebab. The rice is returned to the pot and allowed to steam slowly. This allows as light, fluffy rice ready to absorb the saffron butter. The Chelow rice is served with golden saffron and roast tomatoes. Peace by it to rice ready to enjoy.